Yo, what up YouTube EX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as Only Use Me Tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another unboxing for you guys right now, so you already know the deal. Let's just move this out the way, and get the package out right here. So the reason why I got it in this big ass field of view, because the simple fact is I have another package that I need to unbox and it's really big. So that being said, I had to basically make a lot of room. So you already know the deal. Bat knife, box, bat knife. Let's unbox this shit. So yeah, let's just get into this thing really quick, like that. And we're just gonna pull this to the side and so. So with it, we pick up, boom, we picked up that. Yes, that. So let's just get that up on here really quick. So I pretty much use this thing like all the time, all day, every day. So I definitely needed this. So let's get this open. Oh, I see they going full cardboard. Okay. Recycling. Am I missing something? Okay, push. Okay. Okay, so they didn't go with the traditional way. I don't want to rip this box all the way, but I guess it's like this. Okay. Oh, okay. We got that. We got this. For this small little thing, really? And we got another cord right here. And that's all I believe that's in the box. So I got like 5 of these things from Elgato with every piece of Elgato software, hardware I got from them. I got so many products from Elgato, it's not even funny. Like my whole setup is like literally Elgato. So yeah, we got this. So let's just take this off. Basically it's at the bottom. I forgot to charge up my screwdriver, which I am going to buy me another electric screwdriver because those come in clutch, especially when I'm doing PC builds or keyboard builds. Keep that right there, Just get this off here. Elgato. Reason why I got this is because I have the Tower 600 now, and I can use these extra ports, especially these right here, for some of my things that I have that uses the USB. So I definitely need that, and this will come in clutch for that. So peel that off. Okay. Kind of sticky. The sticky for the icky. And I believe that's for that, like that. Trying to find those holes. That wasn't right. So that's what the tape part is there for. Okay. Get that back on here like so. I got a text message. I don't know. And I'm not going to look at it because I don't want to see what it is. Because it's just probably something random. Why do I get text messages when I'm in the middle of a video? This happens every time. Okay. And I don't have this one magnetized. So let's just get that in right there. Oh, it is magnetized. Okay. I just got to get it more magnetized. Okay. There we go. There we go. So, USB ports back here. Jesus Christ. Sorry about that, guys. All those text messages I was basically getting was basically from NVIDIA, which I need to answer those emails. Sorry. So, yeah. So, here we go right here. This is the USB charger right there. I think I could have pushed this down a little bit better. It's kind of like slanted a little. It doesn't really matter. I'll take it off camera. I'll take it off camera and redo it again, but my OCD is going to be bothering the hell out of me because I don't got this thing on here correctly. Okay. yeah, I'll position that off camera. So yeah, there we go right there. I'm gonna plug this thing in and start plugging in my other stuff right there because I do really need that. So that's this, guys. I'm gonna catch you guys later. As you can see right here. Actually, let's just do it like this. Put it upside down. Let's try to get this. Can we do it like that? Yeah, that's good. So that's perfect. That's perfect like that. So yeah. So one thing I was supposed, I'm not going to talk about it right now in this camera, on this video right now. So yeah, that's everything that came with it. Drop that on the floor. Don't matter. All right, guys. I'm going to catch you guys later. That's it. And I'm out. Deuces. Wow.